Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change name on Viber. Maybe you want to update your name to reflect a recent change or simply want to personalize your Viber account. So today I'm going to show you how to change name on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main screen. In this page, tap on the small icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on this pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can now start on changing your name. First, delete your current name, and once you have deleted the name, you can now type in your new desired name. After that, just go back to the menu page, and as you can see, you now have successfully changed your name on Viber. Your new name will now be displayed on your Viber account. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change name on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change name on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.